Hello everyone, welcome back to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. Today here is the problem of HCF. Find the HCF by listing common factors. Here is given two problems. One number is 24 and 36 and number 2 is 18 and 27. Now we have to find out all the factors of 24 and 36. Okay. So solution 24 is equal 1 multiply 24. 24 1 the 24. 2 multiply 12. 12 2 the 24. 3 multiply 8. 8 3 the 24. 4 multiply 6. 4 6 the 24 or 6 4 the 24. Now we have to find out the factors of 36. 36 is equal 1 multiply 36 is equal 2 multiply 18. 18 2 the 36. 3 multiply 12. 12 3 the 36. 4 multiply 9. 9 4 the 36. 6 multiply 6. 6 6 the 36. All of the factors are here. So now we have to list them one by one. Okay. Therefore, factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. 6 comma 8 comma 12 comma 24. Similar, we have to list the factors of 36. Factors of 36 are, look here, 1 2 3 4 6. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma, here is 2 sixes, but we have to write here just only 1 6. 9 comma 12 comma 18 comma 36. Okay. Now we have to mark the common factors. 1 1 is common here. 2 and 2 common. 3 and 3 common. 4 and 4 common. 6 and 6 are common. 12 and 12 common. Okay. HCF means the highest common factor. So now we have to write here the HCF of 24 and 36 are, all of them are common, but 12 is the highest common. That's why the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Okay, this is the answer. My dear friends, now we have to try to find out the HCF by listing common factors yourself. Okay, you have to try it. Okay, thank you. My dear friends, if you like to watch our videos or teaching, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.